Good morning, good timers. We are here today in Skowhegan, Maine at the fairgrounds, and we are here for the Maine Artisan Bread Festival. So who doesn't love carbs? We certainly do love carbs, unfortunately. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. Today we are going to be taking a look at how lots of various kinds of breads, pizzas, bagels, pastries, all kinds of good stuff are made right here at the Maine Bread Festival. This is an annual festival. It's been held in Skowhegan here for a few years now. And yeah, we're at the fairgrounds. The fairgrounds, a little bit of history about them. They have been around for over 200 years. It is actually Maine's longest continuous running fair. And yeah, they even ran it during COVID, but it was actually online. So I'm not sure what an online fair consists of, but it kept their streak alive as Maine's oldest and most continuous running fair. So the fair actually opens up 2 weeks from now in August, early August, and it's a big event in these parts. So, but for today, we got the bread festival. So let's go take a look at the different vendors. All right, guys, dodging traffic here. Parking is right here in the middle of the field of the racetrack, although they don't actually use it for horse racing too much anymore. I don't even think they use it at all for horse racing, actually. It's more for demolition derbies during fair time. That's why you see all these dented cement blocks here. These are all from the demolition derbies. They usually hold about 3 demolition derbies during fair week. And it is fun to watch them up here from the grandstands. The grandstands are actually pretty nice. They actually redid them a few years ago. I believe there was a fire actually that damaged them. So they also do concerts out here during fair season. But today it's all about bread. The different booths and vendors wraps around the underside here of the grandstands and along the fair. So we're just gonna browse a little bit first. You can get samples of different things. Not just bread here either. You got woodworking here, coffee spot. Also more vendors in the different halls here. Definitely be going home with lots of goodies today, I believe. Simone's enjoying her first sample of the day. Little donut hole from Maine Grains. It's one of our favorite pizza places in Skowhegan. She's getting out of the way because there's a bunch of people that are really hungry, invading her personal space.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Very good.
What is it? Just a donut?
Yeah, fried dough.
Yeah. Tastes like pizza crust with powdered sugar on it. Very good. And here, you got lots of different kinds of breads, tarts, bagels. People here are the same people that are over there.
Well, not exactly.
Not exactly? Okay, sorry, I'm wrong.
That's a sister over there.
Okay, so it's a brother and sister?
Sister and sister.
Sister and sister, all right.
Yeah.
Cookies over here look pretty good. Okay. There's a fruit tart over here, looks delicious. Yeah, that one looks delicious. Brownies over here look pretty damn good too. Yep, tasty looking stuff here. And we got the oven pizza booth here. The stone-fired ovens. Smells delicious. Once again, this is from Maine Grains, one of Simone and I's favorite pizza places in the area, especially if you want sourdough crust. Obviously, Katz's is my favorite, but for a sourdough brick oven crust, can't be beat here. Maine Grains. I'm sure this place is going to get extremely busy right around lunchtime. Right now it's only about 10 a.m. in the morning, so not too busy yet, but it smells delicious. And there's live music here at the festival too, guys. Some of your favorite hard rock bands. Something like that. Actually, this is some very good Irish music here this morning. This little guy right here is enjoying it. fresh naan bread coming out of the oven here, guys. Simone and I love us some naan bread. They are making it right here as well. Looks delicious. We're gonna go ahead and grab a piece of this. All right, guys, just tried the naan bread, and Simone thinks it tastes like pizza dough, which it does. I think it tastes like an English muffin, which it does.
It does.
So it kind of tastes like a fresh English muffin pizza dough. Yeah, either way, it's delicious. You get a little bit of that crust on there from the oven, the crumbs from the leftover bread that they've already cooked. And
Well, that and they
flavor.
reheated it for us, so it's like toasty.
Yeah, no, it's very good. Simone's getting us one of these delicious looking cheese sticks here, guys. Plus, I think she might have got herself
I got
a
one
chocolate
of those.
croissant
A
over
chocolate
here.
croissant.
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
To add to our already 10 different things we've got in the bag.
Yeah. Lots
The bag's pretty loaded up. We'll have to show you the haul here in a little bit. We'll find a quiet place to show you all the stuff we got. So they do have a few food trucks here as well, guys, but obviously there's lots of bread, so food trucks aren't prevalent, but there is a few. And one beside us right here is actually a Lebanese food truck, so we're going to go ahead and try that in just a minute. Right now we're getting some drinks at this place, Alice's Fresh Squeezed and Wonderland Tea Company. Gonna get ourselves a fresh made energy tea here. So we got the Looking Glass. Here's what I got.
And
Simone's
I got
got the
Wonderland.
Wonderland, which is their signature drink, I'm guessing, because it's called Wonderland as far as the tea place goes. So looks very pretty.
It's very tasty.
They're very tasty. There we go. All right, very refreshing. Let's see what I think of mine. Yeah, that is very good. Yep. Fresh teas, guys, brewed. So excellent. Very refreshing on a nice warm day like today. Okay guys, we decided to get the shish tuk, which is actually a chicken dish, and a manouche, which is a cheese dish. We're gonna split it and try it all out. We do love Mediterranean food normally, so we're gonna guess it's gonna be excellent.
Got one napkin. I thought I got two.
All right guys, so if we hadn't had enough bread yet, we got more bread to go with our lunch here. Our Mediterranean bread. This is za'atar and cheese-filled bread here. It's got an official name, which I'll try to put below. And then we've got the chicken and roasted vegetable and rice dish as well. Looks excellent, so we're gonna have some lunch. All right guys, had a bite of this bread, but it's basically a spanakopita kind of tucked inside of this dough. It's excellent, really crispy. Kind of tastes like it's wood fired itself, kind of like the pizzas that are all around. Very, very good. It's got za'atar seasoning in there, along with cheese and the spinach. Za'atar's a lot of sesame, lemon kind of flavor, but very, very good. And then this chicken over here, nice and moist. It's got the same kind of seasoning, I think, that the bread has in it, the za'atar seasoning. Freshly grilled. Excellent rice to go with it. Simone is enjoying the roasted vegetables. I haven't tried them yet, but I suppose I should.
You should. That's what your cardiologist tells you.
That's what my cardiologist tells me. He tells me not to be like Walt from the Frontiersman, who doesn't eat vegetables. He tells me to eat vegetables. Vegetables are good for you. As far as vegetables go, because I'm not a big squash fan, but that actually is very good. They look like they're overdone, but they have great flavor.
They look like they've been steamed a little.
Yeah, it said roasted, but
yeah,
I would say they might have been steamed.
They were probably roasted originally and then in a steam tray.
Either way, great flavor. There's actually a little bit of kick on the end of them. So, yeah, this is an excellent meal from the Dreamer food truck here at the Artisan Festival.
Turning dreams into reality.
Turning dreams into reality, that's right. So there you go. Very good stuff. Alright, still loading up, guys, the goodies. Going for a tomato basil focaccia this time from this Spark Bagel place.
Thank you.
That bag is getting awfully full.
Got the last one.
And there we go. We just sold them out. Alright, guys, hanging out in the grandstands now, just wrapping up our shopping spree here at the Artisan Fair, or Artisan Bread Fair, I should say. But quite a few people actually today, more people than I expected.
You can pan the cars.
Yeah, so yeah, if you check out the parking lot over here, it's pretty full actually. So, but beautiful day here in Maine. It's actually not too humid, and it's been a really humid summer, so a lot of people out and about and enjoying the goodies here at the bread fair. So, as far as goodies go, Simone, let's show them the haul that we have here from the bread fair.
So we got a goat sampler.
So we've got yes, a goat cheese sampler from Gobi Farms in Powell, Maine. And it's got 4 different kinds of goat cheese in there: herb goat cheese, some blueberry, some walnut, and then just the basic goat cheese. Came with a free half loaf of bread too, so you had something to put the cheese on, and a couple of caramels in there, which Simone's gonna love.
There was a special name for this bread.
Special name for the bread.
I can't remember.
I call it white.
Well, it was something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Special.
So there's that.
Special about it.
And then next we've got.
That's the cheese stick.
We've got a cheese stick.
I was like, I need to.
Yeah, Simone needs to hand sanitize because I got to eat this stuff later, so
well,
we don't want to be
I paid cash.
spread germs all over my bread.
I manhandled some cash, so I don't.
She manhandled some cash. It's about the only thing she usually manhandles.
Cheese stick.
Yeah. Delicious looking cheese stick.
Oh, that's right. And
We actually haven't tried that, surprisingly. Some of this other stuff we've actually taken bites out of already.
Chocolate croissant.
Chocolate croissant for dessert. Yep. We have a very nice band playing right now, guys. I'll put a clip of the band here in the video. But band earlier today wasn't my style, but the people that are singing behind me definitely are. Kind of folksy, almost Indigo Girl-like. But yeah, we'll show you them here in a few minutes.
That's a naan bread we partially read.
Yeah, that's some naan bread. It was excellent, as you can tell. It's half gone now,
it's
so
half gone.
that was very good.
What else did we get in here? Oh, that's that, like, there was a weird name for this. It's a bagel, but it's not boiled.
Yes, it's a unboiled there we go, unboiled bagel.
With caramelized onions. We ate some of that. Obviously.
Yeah, we ate some of that too. So Simone's gonna go home and toast that. She'd rather have it toasted.
Yeah,
So
I feel like it'd be better toasted.
but we got
It's
lots of
good.
goat cheese to put on it, so that'll be excellent.
Ooh, what's in this bag? It's like a surprise.
Yeah, we don't even
I
remember
forgot.
what we bought. We bought so much stuff here.
Focaccia.
Oh, the focaccia, yes.
That's the sun-dried
Looks like it's actually melting a little bit onto the bag, so we gotta get home
it's
soon.
kinda, it was in the sun.
Yes, focaccia, basil, tomato.
Deliciousness.
Yeah.
Here's that. Yeah. Oh, we're getting down to the bottom.
Oh, by the way, our diet starts in a week.
Yeah, well, no, we're starting in a week.
No, really.
We're gonna pound this all
Yeah.
down first.
Yeah, we're gonna pound this down first. Yes, blueberry lemon tortas. So little crackers. They were very good.
Really
Little
good.
sweet, little lemony blueberry.
Maybe a little
Very
goat
good.
cheese on those
Yeah,
too, or cream
actually,
cheese.
we had blueberry goat cheese. Would be great on those actually.
Yeah.
And then we
And-
got.
oh, yeah, the sauce.
I got some Skowhegan mustard hot sauce. It's from a place in Maine, and all the hot sauces that he sells are kind of named after places near Pemaquid. So I thought that was pretty cool. And this mustard hot sauce was not too hot, three flames.
Yeah. I
But
didn't try it, so
very
you're
good and
telling
very
me it's not
mustardy.
hot.
So I will use that for sure.
His logo's a little weird. It's like
Yeah.
a little.
Yeah, I don't know what that little guy
I
is,
don't
but
know.
anyway,
But it's kind of cute.
I think that's it. So the bag is pretty full.
full.
Yeah. So a successful day trip here to the Artisan Bread Festival. That's the great thing about Maine, guys. Starting pretty much in May all the way through probably late October,
yeah.
there is a festival of some sort, someplace, pretty much every single day of the week, but definitely on the weekends here in Maine. So
You know what's coming up?
what's coming
I
up?
don't know if I have the weekend off. There's a testicle festival.
Yes, that's right. We have a
Talk about the
testicle festival here in Maine. We tried going to it last year, didn't work out because Simone didn't have the day off. I don't know if we'll get to it this year, but if we do, that'll be something special. Not sure what it entails, but yeah. Like I said, there's a festival for everything here in Maine.
It's to benefit testicle.
Yes, it's to benefit testicular cancer, which is obviously a good thing to donate
good
to.
cause.
So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, all kinds of festivals here in Maine. This is just one of the many, and hopefully we get to some more here before winter hits. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time,
Have a good time.
have a good time. See ya.
Little raindrops falling land upon my shoulders. They fall down from the sky and echo all the love inside. And as the rays of light blaze across the open air, flowers ruby red